Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for IELTS Life Skills A1 step-by-step. Start by learning the test format and timing, then build a simple study plan with short daily sessions. Practice speaking with a partner focusing on clear, short responses and everyday vocabulary. Record yourself to track progress and adjust pronunciation, pacing, and confidence. Finish each week with a mock task under timed conditions to build comfort. Warm up with 5-minute speaking drills that mimic real test tasks, then increase familiarity by practicing common questions and short role plays. Use simple listening materials and repeat phrases to improve comprehension and rhythm. Time some sessions to simulate test pressure and review recordings to correct common mistakes. Focus on clarity over complexity and celebrate small improvements to keep motivation steady and enjoyable. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like for more helpful tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes life easier while you study. It keeps floors tidy so you can focus on practice, even during busy weeks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if it helps, consider supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. On test day, arrive early with your identification and confirmation details ready and wear comfortable clothing. Use deep breaths and brief positive statements to calm nerves and speak slowly to ensure clarity. Listen closely to examiner instructions and ask politely if something is unclear. Keep answers focused and concise, and if you need a moment, pause briefly rather than rushing. Small preparation habits make a big difference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.